Mr. Chairman, Sir, may I present to this meeting the report for the first quarter, January to March 2025, including the financial performance during the period under review. The general economic overview. The exchange rate at the beginning of the month was 26.38 and 26.46 at the end of the period. The ZIG inflation rate slowed from 10.5% in January to 0.5% in February, reflecting a stability price fluctuations. Gold price increased by 6.97 between January and March. Trade was largely in US dollar with a few transactions in ZIG. This is according to the RBZ February statement. And these are vital indicators for our district. As we know, in our district, we have got people who do gold mining. Gold prices relate directly to the district economic status, as we are a gold mining district. Generally, we had a positive response from our mines as reflected by our collections in the mines. Financials. Total revenue collected for the period was 7.212607 million ZWG, giving us 10% collection efficiency. Most of the revenue was collected from property taxes, which contributed 52% of the total revenue for the period. In terms of our own revenue, Mr. Chairman said, our collection stands at 30%. Nasikhuluma nge-own revenue, sikhuluma ngemali lezi collector as council, excluding ama-grants nama-donations. We go on to the second page. Expenditure analysis. Total expenditure incurred for the period under review amounted to 6.053.491 million, with employment cost taking 46% of the total, followed by general expenditure contributing 23%. Employment costs mainly relate to the previous year's staff costs. Masisakhumbula abangukuthi unyaka uphele silezikwelede zabantu zama-salaries, okwenza ukuthi ikota yethu yokuqala lelo silokhu sizama ukuthi siye abantu i-backlog ya-last year. So yikho sizananzelela ukuthi employment cost ithethe most of i-expenditure yethu. As we see from i-graph leyana, employment cost yiyo lana eku-blue. Sinanzelela i-calculate leyana ngendlela elidivayidwe ngayo. At least we are happy ukuthi asisalelanga kakhulu much on capital expenditure. As council esikhangelele ukuthi imali yethu ingahambi kakhulu kwezinye izindleko, but sibe lama capital projects, capital expenditures abakhona. Next page. Then nansana i-capital expenditure yethu sesizamile ukuthi sicazulule ukuthi sibone ukuthi what contributed to that capex. We have got health facilities contributing 4%. We have got water infrastructure 4%. We have got roads 27%. We have got operational assets 69%. Roads, we are also having a grant ezinala esingadisaya, and then we are happy that we did something for this quarter for clinics, and then we are so happy even projects aphume esikhwameni se-council. Most of them bekuyiwona lawa 40%. I think asincedisile ukugebha ama-balls. Then kuma-operational assets is to do with the computer, ukusebenzisa imota, i-furniture, ama-cabinets. It also ilokhuze building land, does it fall you?
Yes.
That building planning is still under construction, but I think a lot has been done. Isisiya nje emaphethelweni. 69% of the capital lama cell phone yangikhumbuza ukuba kushesha. 69% of capital expenditure went towards the purchase of operational assets, mainly the acquisition of motor vehicle. I think yethethe most of imali from operational assets. Expenditure incurred under roads was for culvert construction. Revenue mobilization. Revenue inflows have generally been low during the first quarter, although council managed to liquidate its short-term obligations. Asikhuluma ngama short-term obligations, sithi ukuthi i-council is running. Ngabe singaswela imali maybe kwenye ilanga kumbe kwenye inyanga, but izinto ezenza ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe, abantu basebenze i-office full. We have managed to do that as a council. Council will embark on a door-to-door collection exercise starting with plots. The plots and farms are the largest group of debtors. We also intend to start making follow-ups through phone calls, as we have managed to gather contact details for ratepayers at the township. To improve efficiency in our billing and records, we acquired linked accounts module for Sage. Besilama challenges nge-system yethu le-accounting. Besithi ngawutshintsha i-currency kumbe siphiwe i-new chart of account, sisuke kuleyana i-system ebesiyisebenzisa siye kweyinye. Ungatshintshi i-currency yekwe, so besisilama system angu-3 running, ukuthi umuntu engabuye sithi ngicela ukwazi isikweletu sami, xa uyovula ngale ukhangele ukuthi waye owamalini, suvule S2, suvule S3, su-eda. So bekusiba nzima, even nxa ezoreceipt umuntu umnika ama-receipt angu-3, but we managed to buy okuthiwa yi-linked accounts module ezayenza ukuthi sibe i-consolidate wonke ama-system lawana into one system. So I think it's also an achievement as a department. This allows for consolidation of main accounts with sub-accounts. We can now print a single statement for each property and consolidate all payments from one sub-account to the main account. It will reduce the inaccuracies and paper usage. We are still working on linking homesteads to their villages, such that we can be able to determine how much village heads or council through his homesteads. We are also working on determining dormant accounts in the system. Njoba bengichile ekuqaliseni ukuthi report yethu le is for 3 months, January, February and March. We cover those months. As we can see, ukuthi revenue yethu ihambe njani. In January si collectile nansana lapha, February yayehla, and then March yaphika futhi yaphezulu. As we can see, I think i-treasurer uzamile ukuchasisela ukuthi no March ayisisetshenziswe sibili. Our team was up and in arms sibili kudingwa imali, and I think ama-strategies elisinika wona lapha as finance committee are working. We are hoping ukuthi lokho siqhubeka siya phambili kuzabe sokungcono lapha ecounseling. As we can see, March had the highest collections recorded. And then on procurement, council had started procuring goods following the approval of the 2025 procurement plan. Clinics. Finance team visited Valanda, Majiji and Sikanda clinic during this board. Their collection for the period are indicated as follows. Nankana clinics at Valanda, Majiji, Sikanda. We have got amount collected and accrued expenses. Ngasinanzelela sabona ukuthi imali ade beyicollector ibisisebenzi, as was agreed ukuthi ama-security guards ebhadale from imali nalana e-collector eclinic. So we are making sure ukuthi imali yona le isisebenze khona ngale. Valanda and Majiji clinic has a backlog of security staff salaries due to poor inflows. As we can see, Ivalanda, the Majiji, since imali abazicollectayo they cannot cater fully for ama-salaries. As a result, we are still owing, we have a backlog. There is need for council to intervene through training of health committees and avail assistance to clinics that are failing to pay ancillary staff. Schools. The team also managed to visit Valanda, Majiji, Lonely Mine, Dujana, Skanda Primary, Makinak, Maviganen, Beneswana Primary, Majiji Secondary, and Gosigas Primary School to assess their records in respect of their collections for the period. The team noted that all the schools visited during the period records were not updated and could not establish how much revenue had been collected. It is therefore imperative that council has one employee dedicated to schools. Furthermore, we suggest that we have a workshop for school development committee next term to capacitate them on their ability to have an oversight role on the school financial activities. As of our debtors and creditors. Debtors and creditors are summarized in the financial report. Our creditors stands at ZW 5,254,041, while our total debtors stands at 18,121,059 The ratio for creditors to debtors is 1:2, meaning if council managed to collect all its receivables, it would be able to liquidate its debt and remain with a surplus. Listings are attached below. Attachment SCPA and so then debtors page second from the last kulama headings khona phansi page second from last okubhalwe receivables report first column yethu sile 120 days plus laba ngababa owa imali isile 120 days plus then kubuye 90 days kubuye 60 days kubuye 30 days then kubuye i-current then singavula ngale emuva sibona ama-figures angikhona phansi laphana lapho silama-creditors ethi analysis yangikhona. I will hand over to the treasurer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Chairperson, I think this sheet, figures, this is the summary of our collections and the summary of our expenses. If you check, this is the report that we have submitted to the ministry. That's why I say in the other understands the report hammered to the ministry, finally exactly the report with the report that we are going to submit to the finance committee. So as I speak, we submitted this report yesterday as a quarterly report. They have received, they have acknowledged the receipt. So on your page 2, there it indicates the total income of what we collected. As you have noted, we say on property taxes, mama property taxes, that's where we classify our development levies. Imali zama mines are part of our development levies. So if you say property taxes, we are not speaking about maybe our homesteads to pay. We are also talking about land development levy, communal plots and whatever. So that's the summarized fee. So that's why we say it's the highest contributor of revenue. And then in terms of our capital expenses, we maybe through you share since siyacelile ukuthi sikhangele ezinye izinto esizithengileyo ukwenzela ukuthi singaphongothi sithengile without even identifying. We see the furniture silama cabinets abuyile. I'm not sure of the number esiwathengileyo akhona to go to the offices much abuye Friday to purchase them. Amafoni ama-directors abuyile purchase seats leka council share engakabuyi we've managed to purchase. I think ama-directors besenesikhathi eside engatholi amafoni, so we've managed to purchase ama-phones for all directors akhona abuyile lawo on Friday. Those are some of the purchases seasons during the period, including the Curtis Motor, although I think it is aware our Talaga bayithele nangithi ngikhula ngibona imbuzi entsha ithela umkhulu ukuze ijayele ekhaya angazi laba lezayithela imoto le zayithela ekhaya. So some of the things that we have purchased esiyabesifisa ukuthi nizibone kwenzela ukuthi kukhanye. It's only that at times people think ungathi uthenga ifurniture abantu babona ngani akusetshenziswa. But the reason why we purchase some assets a council is to deliver service. Even lo muntu ose-ofisini umele ahlale at a condition yokuthi akwanise ukudeliver ama-services. Yes, we know ophanda futhi we need to be seen, but also we also need to cater for amanye ama-operational assets. But as we move forward, I think we'll try by all means ukuthi sizame, since I said last time, if 40% esiyikhiphayo, we need to have the records of exactly what has happened. So we capture, kubuye kube report, and also embark on more projects ezizayenza ukuthi abantu bakithi babone ukuthi asithatha imali ibisihamba wokuphela ingantayewele emgodini ongenamkhawulo, kube le something tangible esinikeza abantu bakithi. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you very much, Treasure. This is the staff report.